back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to generate YouTube thumbnails in Canva Magic Studio. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to generate YouTube thumbnails in Canva Magic Studio, all you gotta do is simply go to Canva. Once you're in your Canva, you need to start with your template section. Now here, all you gotta do is simply type in YouTube thumbnail. Once you type in YouTube thumbnail, you can get millions and hundreds and thousands of different templates. You can simply select one of your choice, and now once you have selected the template of your one, all you gotta do is simply use Canva's Magic Studio or the AI images. So once you have used the AI image generator or the magic media itself, you can simply describe your vision and then refine the AI generated image with text, backgrounds, and elements, leveraging tools like Magic Grab for subjects and shadows for pop, ensuring it fits YouTube's 1280 into 720p specs. So I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.